this GIMP Beginner's Guide, I'll show you how to take an ordinary photograph, like this one here of Tom Selleck, and turn it into a Che Guevara pop art type image. So I'll close this project and start again. Now first I open the photo, and now I'll zoom it up so that he fills the entire image window, and I'm going to remove the background. So I click on the free select tool in the toolbox, and I'll very quickly click around him to select him. Now you may want to fast forward this because it is going to take a minute. And to complete the selection and start the marching ants, I need to re-click into my very first click point. And now I click on Select in the menu bar and come down and click on Invert, so that it's the background selected and not Tom Selleck. And then I press the Delete key on my keyboard to delete the background. And now I'll deselect it and stop the marching ants by clicking on Select in the menu bar and coming down and clicking on None. Now I click on Colours in the menu bar and come down and click on Threshold. And this has given me the black and white image, and I can alter the black and white ratio by moving this little triangle underneath the graph up and down. And when it's at the ratio that I would like, I simply click OK. And now I'll change the foreground colour. So I click on the foreground colour indicator square in the toolbox, and I'm going to change the colour to red and click OK. And now I click on the Create a New Layer button, which is at the bottom of the layer panel. And in the dialog box, I'm going to change the layer fill type to foreground colour by clicking on it and then clicking OK. And you can see that's given me a red layer. Now I want to be able to see the black on the underneath layer as well. So to do that, I go to the Layers panel, and along the top I see the word Mode, and to the far right is a drop-down arrow. I click on the drop-down arrow to open the Mode options, and come down and click on Multiply. And that has allowed the black on the underneath layer to show through as well. And now I go to the toolbox and click on the eraser tool. And I'm going to change it to a hard edge. So I click on the brush type and find the hard edged brush and click on that. And I simply erase the red where I want the white from the underneath layer to show through. Now it won't erase the black because that's also on the underneath layer. It's only erasing the red. Now that's a bit rough, but it does give you the general idea. And don't forget though that if you've got any problems or suggestions, just leave a comment.